This is Math 142 Practice 1. This is question number 8. And we're supposed to find all values of theta. Theta is in this full rotation where tangent of theta equals negative root 32. So let me think about this. In this case, tangent ends up being negative. So one of the things I know about tangent is that it's it's y over x. So notice they're both positive here. Both x and y are positive here, so it can't be here. Here x is negative, y is positive. So tangent could end up being negative here. X is negative, y is negative here. Tangent's not going to be negative here. X is positive, y is negative in quadrant 4. So that tangent could end up being negative here. So my two possibilities are in here and in here. Now, I could start trying to use my unit circle and do a little bit of like division work to try to get to negative root 3. But I think that what I'll do is there's a couple different ways I could think about this. One of them is I could just say that I'm going to use inverse tangent. Theta is inverse tangent of square root of negative 3. So I can grab my calculator, do that calculation, make sure I'm in degrees, and it is going to give me negative 60 degrees. So here's how that helps me. Since I already know what quadrants they're in, I know that this right here would be negative 60 degrees. And I actually know that just coming off the x this way would be the same. So what that tells me then is one of my rotations, this one, the whole thing's 180. So 180 minus 60 is 120. That's one possibility. And then this whole rotation, the whole thing would be 360. 360 minus 60 would be 300. So that's one way that I could go about doing this. It's not a bad way to try and use your calculator. Another way I could think about it is I'll go back to this drawing that I started with. I know it's going to be out here. I know it's going to be out here. Tangent is y divided by x. And if tangent ends up being negative root 3, that means that it could be that negative root 3 is the same as negative root 3 over 1, which is the same as root 3 over negative 1. And so again, think about tangent as y over x. So x could be, when x is negative 1, y is root 3. Or when x is 1, y is negative root 3. And then, you know you have a 1 here, you have a root 3 here. That's going to be a 2 because you know that 30, 60, 90 relationship, and you know that 60 degrees is opposite the root 30. Then you still get these 60 degree values here, and then the same thinking to get 120 and 300.